Gold and silver both have seen a slight drop. Yesterday, as I asked you to sell gold at 1970 and silver at around 23 levels. And remember, I told you several times that 1940 is a very strong support, and for silver, it is 2280. Both went close to the support levels and bounced back. So, what to expect today? Can we expect them to bullish? Or is it going to drop again? If yes, which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update will be released before the US session. Join my Telegram channel to keep yourself updated with the latest releases. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels, trade as per the levels here. Now look at the hourly chart. First thing is it is trading above the resistance at 1960. It is trying to retrace, looking upwards, and see after consolidating a bit around 1960. Now this is trying to give you a breakout. There could be a possibility of a further rise. We may see 1967, 1970 levels. Remember, a reversal confirmation, a rise confirmation is only if you see gold trading above 1980 levels. But yes, till the time it stays above 1960, there could be a little more bullishness. However, if you look at, see this drop, and this is a retracement, this is not a reversal, and hence we have to be watchful with our long positions. Stochastic back to overbought. The MACD has crossed over. This is trading with divergence and looking bullish. RSI is also trying to show some bullishness. Likewise, on the 2-hour chart, similar is the observation. See, movement here, reversal, and then consolidation. Now again trying to trade bullish. I'll be watchful of 65-70 zone. Very strong resistance exists there. Stochastic back to overbought levels. MACD trying to converge, crossover for a buy entry, and RSI trying to look up for show a little strength. Similar is the observation on the 3-hour charts as well. And if you look at the complete movement here, now see this, still it is respecting the lower levels. So this is still in the phase of consolidation. Now see, 1940 levels is the level. If it breaches, then and then only I will consider this for a further drop for 1920, 1900 levels. Till the time it stays above 1940, the possibility of a rise exists. The stochastic here is looking upwards. MACD trying to converge. RSI is also looking upwards, show a little strength. Now on the 4-hour charts, see on the 4-hour charts, the next candle will decide which direction it wants to take. See, because this is retracement here, this is still willing to trade in this channel. So if you divide this into two, you can see slightly completely symmetrical moves and slightly higher lows, and now it is trying to look upwards from here. So this is something which is giving a idea that it is more in a consolidation zone. But at the same time, now see couple of observation here, because this is trying to retrace, and the next candle will decide mostly which direction it want to take. A stronger bullish candle, the next bullish candle will definitely be a sign of reversal. That is my expectation here. See, the stochastic was oversold. This is also trying to recover. The MACD is in red, trying to converge a bit. RSI is trying to look upwards and show a little strength. Now see, on the daily chart, there is a slight error here on the charts. But see, yesterday's candle was a slightly red candle with a smaller tail. And now it is given a flat opening here. So this flat opening is trying to reverse. Remember, any rise, any trade above 1980 will be a good sign that gold might try to trade bullish. And if you connect the dots here, on the daily charts, mostly it is very much within the consolidation zone and trying to still give you a flag. So yes, also if you look at the stochastic looking down, the MACD is trying to converge, crossover. Right now it is still bullish, and as I told you yesterday also, that see this convergence is happening at a slightly higher levels. The candle size has diminished. There is a possibility of a crossover and a drop, but then you have to be watchful there. The RSI is also looking down. So considering this, for the day, I will recommend you not to trade between 1957 and 1967 levels. For this $10, stay away from trading gold. You can buy at 1967, but remember 1970, 75, 80. Till 80, I will not be considering this as bullish. Beyond 80, yes, it is a good time for you to take an entry, and definitely one can stay long above 1980 levels. So buy at 1967, stay alert till 1980, keep a $3 or to $5 of trailing stop loss, keep booking profits and re-enter if you see it in the same direction. And on the downside, remember if it breaks past 1957, then 1950, this time it is going to complete the moves below 1940 levels today itself. Hence, if you see it trading below 1957, you can sell, but then 1950, 1940 levels is something which we can look out for. Beyond 1950 directly, the next support levels is at 1940 levels. Take your trade accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts on 10th of April. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at silver's hourly chart. See silver trading between my favorite levels 2280, 2320, and these levels are my favorite as I have shared these levels multiple times as a strong support and a good resistance level. And also I have told you several times that beyond 2320 it is 2350 levels which are the targets, and last time it did achieve in the same day. Now whether it is possible for it to do it today, let's see. Now see silver on the hourly charts, you can say symmetrical move here, here to here. It is trying to completely reverse and taking the support at 2310 and 230805 levels. Now that makes 2305 a good entry for you to sell, but then 23, 2295, 2290, very good support, because we have seen silver trading in this box for long now. It tried to give a breakout, failed to stay beyond 2320 levels. So that is also one level beyond which, see, if it breaks past 2320, the next target is 2330 or 2330 and then 2340 levels. It can complete the symmetrical move there. So this is trying to complete the symmetry. If it breaks past 2320 levels, we can see a good bullish move. But see, the stochastic is overbought, looking down here. The MACD is in green, trading with slight divergence. The RSI is also looking upwards, show a little strength. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, now see on the 2-hour charts, it is almost given you a symmetry. See how beautifully the charts are coordinated. Look at these candles here. Let me show you something in detail. See, if you divide from here, see these candles, almost symmetrical, almost symmetrical. This candle also replicating the move here, but trying to get the resistance at a slightly lower levels. Now, if it reverses from here, I will recommend you to rather sell at 2310 itself or 230805 zone. Rather, those who are comfortable with the slightly lower levels with a little less profit should take a safe entry below 2308, 2305 levels, where you can expect 23, 2290 and below 2290. This time, if it breaks below 2290 and 2280, there could be a good drop. Now, if you look at the stochastic, this is overbought, looking down. The MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a buy. RSI trying to trade flat, trying to trade with a slight, you can say, neither bullish nor bearishness as of now. And now look at the 3-hour charts. But look at the beauty of 3-hour charts. See the slope here. This is bearish, this is retracement. When you see a change in slope, this means that this is not bullishness. This is just a retracement to cool down the indicators, and possibly any point of time it may try to drop again. However, largely if you look at, it is still very much within this block 2280, 2320 levels. So let it break past by either of these levels, and then comfortably you can say that it has taken a decisive move. Stochastic back to overbought levels. MACD trying to converge. See, it is getting lower, and still the silver is at same levels. That is the beauty of the charts. RSI trying to look upwards, and if you look at 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour charts, 20 period moving average giving it a very good support, rise drop, and then again trying to look upwards, and it is still very much intact. It is keeping its movement intact within this channel itself with a higher lows and higher highs. Also, is it possible higher highs means this time also it can show higher highs? Possibility exists that we may see. If it stays about 2320, 2340, 2350 levels cannot be denied here. Stochastic looking up, MACD trying to converge, RSI trying to show a little strength. Likewise on the daily charts also. Now see, on the daily chart there is slight error here. There is the candle missing, which was a red candle yesterday. It tried to trade bullish, but then again retraced and failed to. You can say it has dropped a bit till towards these levels and bounced back. So now trading comfortably at around 23.10, 23.20. I will look forward for it to break past by. See, these levels matter here because you can see 23.20 and 23.30. Beyond 23.30, this is a confirmed reversal and we are looking forward to 23.50 and plus levels. The stochastic is overbought and now trying to look down. The MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a sell. RSI is trying to look downward. So considering this, yes, you can buy at 23.20 and expect it to rise. First target should be 23.30 and then 23. You can say beyond 23.30 directly we may see it hitting 23.50, and if it breaks past 23.50, it is going to look forward to 23.80, $24 levels. You can keep your positions above 23.50 levels any which ways. But right now it is looking forward to slight retracement, and hence you can sell here at 23.10 or 23.05 zone. Any point of time in between these levels, you can take a sell entry. Expect 23, 22.90, 22.80. Below 22.80, we are going to look forward to a very good drop. Hence, take your positions accordingly. Below 22.80, target should be at around 22.50 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, join my mentorship batch and join my signal channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram ID and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.